Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, this video is about 20 days overdue because I did not do my cash envelopes. I've had the cash, I just haven't had time to stuff my envelopes. So I have spent some money out of this envelope, but I've been carrying this around and we don't want to carry it around anymore. So I am going to stuff what's left from my envelope into my different cash envelopes. Now, this is my summer groceries that I keep my summer groceries in. And then these, let me show you these. These are the envelopes that I got from an Etsy shop called Conversation. That is always in the description box below. There is a code. Shakema will get you 10% off in your of your order if you order from her shop. Now, I had someone say they didn't see these specific ones, which I think she custom made these for me. They were sent to me by a friend. My friend Karen had these sent, and Sean actually customized these particular ones just for me. She does custom on her Etsy shop. So if you're interested, you pick out your envelopes and then you tell her specifically what she wants. She figured out of all the things that I do, what would be the most usable for me. So I have groceries and gas, and I have those for 5 weeks because I do my grocery shopping by the week. And then I have lawn maintenance, which is Mr. Jerome. He comes and cuts my grass. So remember, Mr. Jerome is coming for the next, he'll be here for the rest of, well, one more cut in September, 2 cuts in October, and then we're done with grass until April. Then I have beauty and personal care, which that's hair care for Jackson and I, but they actually let us do CashApp. So I actually have stopped pulling out money for haircuts. Recreation, if we choose to go and do something as a family, I try to spend cash because whenever I do my debit card, I end up overspending. Eating out, then a $20 challenge, a $10 challenge, a $5 challenge. So those are my envelopes that I have to fill. I have done groceries twice, so I think I have a couple more weeks of groceries. I know I have money for Mr. Jerome, and I also have money for summer groceries. So if you're unfamiliar with my summer groceries, I work from August till May. June and July, I don't get a paycheck. So in order for the kids and I to have grocery money, because I'm down my summer share money, which I put into an account to use for the summer, is about $1,000 less than what my regular paycheck is. So there takes out $500 worth of groceries. There is no groceries, and I don't tithe in the summer. So in order for us to have grocery money, I have to save it during the year, during the 10 months that I work, and then I have summer groceries. The first year we did it, I saved $50 a month, which gave me $500 in 10 months. Last year I did it and I saved $75 a month. That gave me $750 for 10 months, 10 weeks of groceries. So last year we did the $75, but what I found out is due to inflation and all that it was not going to be enough. So I've had to make adjustments in my grocery budget. What I plan to do is keep my regular grocery budget at $75 per week, but I'm going to pull out $100 for my summer groceries. So each month I'm going to put out $100 for 10 months. That's going to give me $1,000. Each week of the summer, those 10 weeks, I'm going to have $100 for groceries. So that's how we're going to eat in the summertime. It's worked out perfectly the past 2 years. And Holy Spirit just gave me the idea of how to do it because I was unsure how I was going to do it. And he said, just pull out that money. So right off the top, I have the $100. This is for summer groceries. So this is the first $100 for the year that is going to go into my summer groceries envelope. I only put summer groceries in there. Nothing else goes in there. And I put whatever amount I choose. That same amount goes in for each month. And then that's what I pull from for the summer. So that's summer groceries. And that's the end of this. Now, as far as the monies that I have here, I have to figure out what I have what I have going on here for the next few weeks of groceries. So Mr. Jerome is coming to cut grass. So I have 50 and then I have 55. He's already cut grass once. So 55 is going to be for lawn maintenance. Okay, so 55 is lawn maintenance. He'll come one more time to cut grass for the month of September. Then I have one $50 here. I have another $50 here. I do believe that's for 2 weeks of gas. But because it's been so long since I had my cash counted out, I have to make sure that I'm counting that correctly. I do believe these two $50 are for 2 weeks worth of gas, and I should have 2 weeks worth of groceries. So it's $75 for my groceries. Let me count. 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. Aha. I have a 5 in my wallet. 75. So now I have 2 weeks worth of groceries, 2 weeks worth of gas, and that's how we're going to play it out for the last 2 weeks of the month, which is perfectly fine. That's how it should be. So gas and groceries, 2 weeks, gas and groceries. Now I'm back to groceries. So I have $75. This is what we've been spending, and I've tried my very best not to go over. I've tried my hardest not to go over on that category because I will never be able to save if I continue to overspend. And then gas, and we're just eating out of our pantry. We're eating out of what we have. And then one more week of groceries at $75. And one more week of gas. Now, Alana does give me gas money, so that generally counts as an extra just in case I, have a week where I need extra gas. But I haven't really been doing more than once fill up. And that's because I'm at the new schools and it's closer. The only other thing is next month, I hope not to forget to do my cash. But I've got to get my savings moving, right? I've been at pretty much the same spot for a long, long time. And I've got to get a handle on that savings, making sure that I am putting money in to have that savings that we need. So starting in October, it's going to be extra. I mean, it is diligent now, but it's going to be extra diligent. Like, do I really need to make these purchases, or do I just need to go ahead and put money towards the savings? Because I've got to get that 3 to 6 months saved. It just has to happen. There's no other way possible, including, making sure that I'm taking care of my sinking funds. But I wanted to make sure that I did that, especially my summer groceries, to make sure that those who are following my summer journey saw that I got that money stuffed, and there it is. So if you're interested in envelopes from Conversations Etsy shop, remember there's a link in the description box. Shakema at checkout will get you 10% off of your purchase. So there that is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.